Hello! Hey y'all, my name is Kanika Williams. I am a professional organizer and owner of Tidied by K, which is a home organizing company based out of good old Atlanta, Georgia. So if you are here, you're wanting to learn more about Tidied by K or learn more about the process, this is the video for you. So Tidied by K started from my desire to organize, right? My mom recommended one day that I watch Tidying Up with Marie Kondo on Netflix, and y'all, I kid you not, that weekend I was brainstorming business names for my soon-to-be organizing company. I've always had a true passion for organizing, and I was a little kid that always wanted to fold the linen or put the groceries away in the pantry. Like, that was me. Probably the most unorthodox 8-year-old kid you probably would have met. Tidied by K was truly created from a space of me wanting to do something that I absolutely love, y'all. I truly love organizing. I tell my clients and my audiences all the time, right? But home needs to feel like your personal sanctuary. You should want to live in a home that feels like your refuge from the outside world. And when you partner with Tidied by K, that's truly what we help you do. What Tidied by K does, regardless of the space that we're tackling, is we do a space audit with the client and we get to know the client. We talk about their day-to-day routines. We talk about what's driving them absolutely bonkers about their space, and in the most perfect world, what they would want to see within their home. From there, we start our editing process. We pull out everything to categorize and sort what you're going to keep. That way, we're able to better space plan for your home for all of the things that are left, right? All of the things that you've chosen to kind of donate or get rid of, we load it up in our car and we'll donate it to local charities or local organizations within your community. And then we do the fun stuff. We do the shopping. We will go out, buy all the right organizing products to beautifully organize your home. Again, the goal is to add beautiful and functional organizational solutions that just make home easier for you. From start to finish, we're creating your beautiful and functional systems that just are going to make you happy. When you work with us, our clients truly turn into our extended family. We get to know our clients, we get to know their kiddos, and all of this makes it easier for us to truly cater our solutions around your lifestyle and what you really need to love and function better in your home. Having a fully organized home makes being at home more peaceful and more productive. Loving your home because you know it energizes you versus deplete you is empowering, and truly everyone deserves that. That's our mission, to ensure that every client we serve knows that their home is their peaceful sanctuary, again, from the outside world. Having an organized home makes the difference between being stressed as you're trying to leave the house for work because you couldn't find your work bag, or always being the last one to pick up your kiddo because you couldn't find your car keys. It truly makes a world of difference, and that's what we offer.